In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable email notifications in Hubstaff. If you're getting too many email updates from Hubstaff, the good news is that you can manage them in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to reduce inbox clutter while still keeping your account active and organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can turn the email-related notifications on or off based on your preferences. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hubstaff account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Hubstaff places your personal account options, so it's the starting point for adjusting settings tied to your user profile. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select User Settings and Billing. This section contains the personal settings for your account, including billing details, preferences, and notification controls. If you're ever unsure where account level options are located in Hubstaff, this area is usually the right place to check. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the tab labeled Notifications and click on it. This will open the page where Hubstaff lists the different alerts and updates connected to your account. Depending on your role and workspace setup, you may see several notification options here, so take a moment to review them carefully. Now, find the notifications that relate to email and use the toggle switches to turn them off if you want to stop receiving those messages. If you only want to disable certain types of emails, you can switch off just the ones you don't need and leave the others enabled. On the other hand, if you decide you want to receive them again later, simply come back to this same page and toggle them back on. As a helpful tip, make sure you read each notification label before changing it, so you know exactly what type of email you're disabling. Some notifications may be important for project updates, time tracking reminders, or account activity, so it's worth choosing carefully rather than turning everything off without checking. And that's it. By opening your profile menu, going to User Settings and Billing, selecting Notifications, and toggling off the email-related alerts, you can quickly control how many emails Hubstaff sends you. This is a simple way to customize your experience and keep your inbox a little cleaner.